I'm amazed with the course. I love it. For me, it's not a challenge to come to the college. It's like when you really like something, it's easy.
It's just quite a fascinating course because it combines IT, computers and the beauty together. So it's technology and beauty together, which is what I always like, both my favorite subjects. So my best experience is when I find out my teacher is going to be a teacher from level 2 actually. And also because I know she's very helpful. I think college is very accommodating when it comes to that, and people are open spirited. You can talk to anyone really. I find it very easy to talk to people. Well, my tutor always been very helpful. She always helped me to accommodate my needs, like helping me with the English in level 2. She always finds a way for you to understand what she's trying to teach.
She is so professional, and she made everything to come on like that, all together, you know. When you really like something and you teach, having a great teacher, it just makes it perfect. Through the bursary, they help us with the money to get the kit that we need for the course.
Well, for me, compared to the other colleges, I always find Lambeth College to be very caring, professional, get lots of practice, and when you finish your course, you feel ready for the industry, so you feel very confident.